Hey guys, it's DVCuber, and today I will be going to Slow and Steady Spring 2017. I gotta compete in 3x3! Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So the first event of the competition was 3x3. I wanted a low 11 average and a sub 10 single, but I failed. I got a 10-19 single, but I made a stupid mistake like I do very often, and I was at low 9. I reacted but missed the timer and then hit it and got a 10.19. So I'm very mad about that, and I failed the average, but luckily I made round 2, so I would have another chance later. I also want to know what you guys think about the style I did for the beginning of this video. It was like a cinematic video, but I thought it would be interesting to try putting that like into my vlog. So tell me what you guys think.
Oh no.
I think that's okay.
I think that's a plus 6. No. I missed the timer.
I've never seen that before.
Well, I dropped. No, I think.
Yeah, I mean, it would be a plus 2.
Yeah, it's at least a plus 2 because, like, when Felix solves it, he drops it, he has to pull it back.
Yeah.
Let's mark it plus 2.
He's 5A and 6A, follows 5B and 6B.
This could have been my first line. I'm so mad.
I did so much better with this cube.
Yeah, I do not have a 10.
I
have a 10
you didn't
07.
sign there either.
Hey, you might be.
I will like that. I got like a bad average.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it was sub 10, but I missed the time. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So the next event was 3x3 one-handed, which I did pretty good in. I averaged 22, but I got a low 21 average, and I wanted sub 20 because I do really good in competition for a lot of events, including one-handed. But I'm definitely satisfied with a 21 average, and I did not break a PB single, but I kind of expected that because I have a 15 single in comp.
He just took you up there, did he?
Oh.
Robert Potter.
Wait.
So on stage A, we are going up heats 3A and 4A. If you the Extreme A or 4A, please mention.
The next event was square one, and I did pretty good. I averaged low 14, and I got a low 14 average. I also got an 11 single, which is pretty good. Not my comp PB, though, because I have a 10.9. But I'm pretty happy with my results, and I am 101st in the world for average now, which is surprisingly sub my 2x2 ranking, because at one point I was like 84th in the world, but now I'm not even top 100. So I'm pretty surprised about that, but yeah, I did pretty good in square one.
Oh, say hi. Hi. Hello. This is a 5x5. Is it a Chihuahua? Chuang chuang. It's a Chihuahua. No, it's a Chi. Oh yeah, obviously. And I'm so bad at. No, it's a Chihuahua. It's a Moyu Wuha. It's a goodbye. Wait, what?
The next event was 4x4, and I did pretty good. I don't have much to say. I didn't get any comp PBs because I already have like really good comp PBs. I averaged like 54, 53, but I got a 48 average, so I'm pretty happy. The next event was 5x5, and there's one thing I have to say. I am speechless about my results.
Come on, let's work. Wait, I'm gonna see what he's doing.
Just say
Paul?
I'm at SNS.
Liz?
I'm at SNS.
I'm with TC.
I'm with TC.
Yeah, there he is. Yes. Dang.
No. Too bad. Call him anyway.
Too bad. Yeah, too bad. Please pick it up. Because what? Okay, I'm gonna text him. What about your iPad?
Just like screw you too.
What about your iPad? It's an iPad, right? What's up, kid? Look.
Whoa, I'm totally not recording you.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Hi.
Hey.
Can you hear
You're
us?
in my vlog, Parker.
You're in my vlog. You're in his vlog. Hi.
Next was 3x3 round 2, and I'm very mad, and if you want to see why I was mad, keep watching this video.
Eight seconds. What happened there?
Oh, you DNF'd.
That's a +2.
That's a DNF.
Mill slice is a DNF. Mill slice.
Wait, what? Should I scramble? Wait, are there too many scrambles?
Close enough. Yeah, 2 points. Fine. Maybe he could be a scrambler. What's your last name? Reese? Ludwig, yep. Great. Oh, you can't.
Yeah.
I need it though, so.
Oh, thank you.
And you're going to have Mega Mix Heats 3P and 4P on stage 3. Please bring yourself Mega Mix up to stage 3. Thank you.
Wait, 3B.
That should be everyone for Mega Mix. So if you're not solved Mega Mix, please bring your cube up to your stage. Thank you.
You still have to solve, right? You still have to solve, right?
Yeah, I have 3B. Rip Tommy. I need a judge.
I need somebody to judge for him.
Why don't you move him to a different station? Oh yeah, that's obvious.
The next event was Megaminx, and I'm not really happy with my results. I mean, I got better than my global average, but I didn't get any comp PBs. and I really wanted comp PBs, but whatever. The last event that I competed in was Square 1 Final, and I failed. Like, at the end of the day, I just started doing bad in, like, everything, so I'm pretty upset, but whatever.